Back home now, Golden Grove are the Insports St. Anne Primary football champions after their 2-0 victory over Ocho Rios Primary. Joshua Folks got them going in the 32nd minute. And Adele Facey put the icing on the cake, netting in minute 50 to seal the victory. Head coach of Golden Grove, Andre Richards, says he's elated to get a hold on the trophy.
They would have played well, and coming into the game we were very confident because what we did was to tweak the team itself. So we knew that we were confident coming in of a victory today. We knew Ocho Rios had a very good attack, so what we did was we stayed behind, we stayed compact, we played well, we stretched the width of the field itself, and then what we did in the second half now, what we did was to increase the intensity and we go for the win which we got.
And over in the netball section, defending champions Bethany Primary retained their crown, defeating Charlton 8-2 in the final. Torian Smith and Kalia Chambers led the way for Bethany, scoring 4 goals each. Chantel McFarlane and Diana Callum scored the 2 goals for Charlton.